Hey guys, so I'm going to be teaching you how to make a dot pattern. So I'm going to be using the pattern tool for this. If you guys aren't familiar with that, I have another video teaching you how to do the pattern tool. If you are familiar with it, go ahead and keep watching. I'm going to show you how to make that dot pattern. So I have 3 steps here. The first step is create a circle. So I'm going to come over here to my shapes tool, and I'm going to hold down and pull to the corner, and that's going to make another list pop up, or you can find the ellipse tool, and that's what we're going to want for our circle. So you can see it change now to the ellipse. That's how you know you got it selected. And to make a perfect circle, what I'm going to do is hold down Shift and then drag, and that is going to make sure that is perfectly symmetrical. And then to fill it in with a different color, I'm going to come over to my swatches here, and I'm going to pick a color, and I'm going to unselect the stroke around the circle. Alright, so I have a circle created. The next step is to select the circle. So I'm going to come over here to my selection tool, and I'm going to click on that circle. Then I'm going to come up to the pattern tool. So that's going to be step 3, object, pattern, make. So I'm going to come up here to object, I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to slide down to pattern, and then I'm going to come over to make. That's going to bring you to a separate window. If you are unfamiliar with this window, I would go ahead and watch my other video about using the pattern tool. So the next step I'm going to do is make sure that my circle is separated from the rest of these images here. They're a little too close together. So how I'm going to do that is I'm going to come up here to that move pattern tool, or pattern tile tool, and I'm going to hold down Shift again, and I'm going to drag, and you can see now that my dots are a lot farther away from each other. When you're happy with the spacing, then you can come on over here to the tile type, and you will get a selection of different ways you can make your pattern repeat. So right now I have it on grid. The next one is brick by row. The next one is brick by column. We got hex by column, and then hex by row. So go ahead and select one that you think matches what you're going for your dot pattern. And when you're happy with the way it is repeating, what you want to do is come on back over here to done. If you click cancel, that will not save any of your changes. So if you are happy with it, go ahead and click done. So that's going to bring you back to your original menu, and you'll have your pattern saved over in your swatches. So to use that pattern now, we can make a shape, and we can click on our swatch here. Make sure that it is being filled, not being outlined. And you'll see your pattern appear. So that's it on how to make a dot pattern. Remember that I have other videos and tutorials up, so if you want to learn more, go ahead and check them out. I do have that cheat sheet here too in the corner, so you can take a little screenshot of that if you need. Alright, that's it. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.